Good morning, this is Steve O'Hare from Signal Centre, and today I'm presenting Bitcoin. I'm going to take a look at it on the MarketX platform, and we're going to run through the multiple timeframes that we look at, highlighting the real technical areas and levels to watch in the coming days. So we'll start with a daily chart. Let's bring it up, and I'll get my Elliott Wave tool out. This is the let me get the right wave out. This is the impulsive move that we've seen in Bitcoin over the last couple of years. We've had the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, getting up to wave 5, and after wave 5, we normally get a correction. The correction is normally in two waves. We have an ABC wave, and this looks to be playing out right now. And so this is also, we can pick out the real levels to watch. So the first wave 1 finished around about 41,667 before the retracement back to just below 30,000. Wave 3, the second of the positive waves, had a move up to 58,000. The correction back was to 44,000. We've highlighted these real significant levels in blue as supportive levels. And the fifth and final wave, which we believe is the fifth and final wave at the moment, came in around about 65,000. The retracement from there was quite aggressive and quite quick, and it moved out of just about 47,500 before we started to get the B leg of the ABC, and this topped out just below the 60,000 level. So they're the main levels we're looking at. Normally what we tend to find is that the move to A and the move to C are very similar in size and amplitude, and really the supportive lines that we can see on the daily chart come in really below the psychological 50,000 level. They come in at 47,723, which was the A move. If we do start to move aggressively towards here, I'd fully expect it to target the 44,300 before 41,800, and obviously the 40,000 round number, it would be also additional psychological support. So let's look at the 4-hour chart. This can give us a decent indication of what we're seeing at the moment. We're in a nice little channel formation. Let's get that up. Well, let's take it from here. This is the parallel channel formation. This is what we're seeing. This is the channel which we've seen over the last, well, since the 23rd of April until the 10th of May. So almost 2 weeks of positive price action, and then we stalled at 60,000. And now we've broken out of this channel, and we're hovering around the sort of like the low, just outside the channel, the supportive areas here. So for me, this is forming a little bit of a bearish flag formation, so we've got to be a little bit careful here. We can see that just by drawing these few lines in, it's a bearish flag or pennant. The potential for this move, it would be an extension lower. So if we do get a break, this is the sort of levels we'll be targeting, and as you see, it's just around about the 50,000 level. If we drill down onto the hourly chart, we can see this has formed, this last 3 hours has formed an evening doji star formation. So potential for the downside. The first level I'd like to see a break of is 54,500, and then I'd expect an acceleration lower. We can see the volumes have picked up ever so slightly since the overnight. Obviously we saw a high volume yesterday on this sell-off, and so with lower volumes, we expect that volume to pick up if we do get a break downwards. However, on the upside, excuse me, on the upside, we'd be looking at 56,450 as maybe a sign that this short-term sell-off is over. This is just a correction. It's not a reversing trend. We're still in a bullish trend. I hope that's helped. Look forward to speaking to you again next week.